Hi everybody, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, during the European session, the market will await the release of the index on factory orders from Germany for the month of May. Over the last few months, the trend of the index has been positive, and another good number should see some strength in the euro. Later in the US session, we'll see the release of the PMI index on business activity from Canada as well as the PMI index on production from the US. The figure came in from Canada last month at its highest level in 1.5 years, showing a clear bullish trend, and we may see the Canadian dollar strengthen on the back of some more good news. On Tuesday, the highlight of the day will be the latest interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia, which we expect will create extreme volatility in the Australian dollar. The recovery in the iron ore price should be enough for the RBA to leave rates on hold, but some are saying there is a slight chance of another rate cut following on from the previous one in May. Later, during the US session, the focus will be on the Canadian and American dollars with the release of the latest trade balance figures from the US and Canada. Both numbers have shown a negative trend in recent times, which may put a little bit of pressure on the greenback and loonie if the scenario repeats itself. On Wednesday, during the American session, the focus of traders will be on the publication of the minutes FOMC from the US Federal Reserve. This event is of great importance, giving traders an insight into the Fed's future plans, with the US dollar traditionally rising against most currencies before the release and a movement of up to 100 points after the news hits the market. In the Asian session on Thursday, key jobs data will hit the market with the release of the latest unemployment rate from Australia. Over the last 6 months, the number's been on the decline, keeping the Australian dollar a little higher than most predicted, and we may see the currency receive some support as traders anticipate another good number. A little later, we'll see the interest rate decision from the Bank of England, and although we expect no changes in rates, we should see a little volatility and some trading opportunities in the British pound. To finish off the week on Friday, the focus will be on Canada, with the latest job growth numbers and unemployment rate in the second half of the trading day. The jobless rate in Canada has been stuck at around 6.8% for the last 6 months as job losses mount over the fall in oil prices, which is vital for the Canadian economy. We expect some volatility in the local currency leading up to this news, and with a few interesting trading opportunities to be had before and after this release. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.